Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you VSCO how to delete account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To delete your VSCO account, what you need to do first is head over and open up your VSCO app. Then once you're inside it, be sure to be logged into your account with your VSCO credentials. Then, once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on this smiley icon on the bottom of your screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on this horizontal bar on the top left corner of your screen. Now, once you're inside here, you'll be seeing the settings icon or settings option. Simply tap on that. And now, inside settings, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and then you'll find the option delete my account. Simply tap on that. Now, in order to confirm your deletion, simply tap on continue and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully delete your profile. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.